Hello everybody, this is Vinny with GS Software from beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah. Today I want to showcase for you our latest tool, which is a Google Maps API distance matrix that we have built. The tool is built in Excel, which makes it extremely easy to use, and there is no need to install any software. So the way the tool works is it allows the user to generate a matrix of distances between two sets of addresses. And the way we do that is we paste the first set of addresses into the first column, in this case column A, and they can be a combination of full addresses, partial addresses, cities, or zip codes like we have in this example. And the second set of addresses we do into the first row, which will be the row combinations, right? Same thing here. We can use any combination of those type of addresses, zip codes, cities, or full addresses. Once we do that, we click on the calculate button, and the tool will do the rest. It will calculate the distances between each one of those intersections, right? So, for example, if I wanted to see what the distance is between Denver, Colorado, and this specific address, all I got to do is figure out where that matrix is, and that would be the distance between those two. Again, to download the tool, there should be a link in the description. Please click on that and you can get a little bit more information to my website. And if there is anything else that I can help you with, any type of logistics type of tool like this, please feel free to contact me via email or my phone number, which is in the description. Thank you very much and have a great day.